Hello, scholars. Welcome to another Fundations video. We have two new sounds today. In order for you to be successful on our video today, you need to have your whiteboard and a marker. So if you don't have that with you right now, go ahead and pause the video and go and get it. Okay, we are ready to get started. We have two sounds. Our first sound in our letter keyword sound card is D, dog, D. Your turn to say it with me. Ready? D, dog, D. Great job. The next sound we're going to have is S, bugs. Say it with me. S, bugs. Great job. All right, guys. We are going to practice skywriting our two new letters. Are you ready? I'm going to stand up here so that I can use my chart. I want you to hold your finger out nice and straight and get ready to skywrite with me. Here we go. Are you ready? We are going to start with the letter, let's start with our letter D. Point to the plane line. Here's our plane line. We are going to go back, down, and around to the grass line, all the way back up to the skyline, and trace back down to the grass line. Great job. That is our letter D, dog, D. Let's try that again. Start at the plane line, trace around the plane line, around and back down to the grass line, back up to the skyline, and straight down to the grass line. D, D, dog. Very good. All right, we are now going to work on our S. Let me find my S on my special paper to make sure you know exactly how to make it. Here we go. S is a plane line round letter, so we're going to start right here on the plane line. Just like the C, point to the plane line, trace back, and it curves in and goes back again and lands on the grass line. Woo, that was fun. Let's try that again. Start at the plane line. You're going to trace the plane line, curve around and trace back, and it goes back again and lands on the grass line. That's your letter S. S, bugs. Great job, scholars. All right, now we're ready to write our letters. Are you ready? Let me share my screen with you. All right, here we go. Let me make this a little bit bigger. And we are going to write our letters. We're going to start with the letter D. We're going to start with the letter D. Start at the plane line. Trace the plane line, come around and down to the grass line, back up to the skyline, and straight down to the grass line. That is the letter D. Let's try that again. Start at the plane line, trace the plane line, curve around to the grass line, back up straight to the skyline, and straight down to the grass line. The letter D. Great job, scholars. Now let's try our letter S. Start at the plane line, trace the plane line, curve around, and back down to the grass line. Great, that's the letter S. Again, we're going to start at the plane line, curve around, and back the other way down to the grass line. That is the letter S. Great job, scholars. You can pause the video here and practice your letters a little bit more if you'd like. Don't forget that you need to have some D words and some S words that you can share with your friends in class. See you later.